Hello everybody, welcome to Succulent Plant Care. If you are new to my channel, so am I. I'm new here too, so welcome. Thank you for watching. Today I want to talk about why we need to repot new succulent plants, newly bought succulent plants. So if you get succulents from the store, why is it a good idea to repot them, right? So this actually was a gift from a dear friend of mine, Sarah. Thank you, Sarah, if you're watching. It's very pretty. It's an Echeveria. I don't know what kind. It doesn't say. It's not labeled. I've actually had this for a while. I haven't gotten a chance to repot it, so I've kept it in this original pot that it came in. And I don't normally do that. I usually repot my new plants within, a few days to within 2 weeks of getting them. But this time, it stayed in this pot for over a month now. I've just been very busy. I started a new job and everything just had to be put on hold. Even my blogging, my sites, my potting, everything is just a little bit of a mess right now. But anyway, I finally have a chance to repot this beauty. So I wanted to talk a little bit about why we need to repot new succulent plants, right? One reason is you want to get them in a suitable potting mix, soil that's good for succulents, so a well-draining soil. A lot of times when you get succulent plants from the store, they're very wet, and the soil, you'll notice, is just very wet, and it's not good for succulents. They like well-draining soil. In this case, in this plant's case, this particular plant, I think whatever the soil medium that they use is extremely fast draining. As you can see, it's shriveled. The leaves have shriveled, and I notice every time I water this plant, the water just goes right through it. I don't think it's even absorbing a lot of water. As you can see, it's getting dehydrated, so I need to get this plant in a suitable potting mix right away, ASAP. So that's one reason. You want to get it in a suitable potting mix that's good for succulents. So preferably a well-draining one. Okay, the next reason why you want to repot new plants is you can inspect the health of the plant closely and see how healthy it is. Sometimes, you get new plants and a few weeks later, they die, right? And it's really, sometimes it's not even from what we did, from what you did. It's just that the plant wasn't too healthy to begin with. So you can see and inspect to see if there's any, dead parts or rotting parts. Then that means, it's probably, the plant's probably on its way out, or you just need to do a little bit more TLC for the plant to keep it alive. The third reason is you kind of want to see whether or not it has some creepy crawlies on it, like some insects or pests that may be eating or hiding under the leaves. And it's good to know because first you want to get rid of the pests. Second, you don't want to infect your other plants, because they can travel really fast and infect your whole collection in no time. So you want to isolate the plant. If you find any pests or any, like insects growing under or behind the leaves, you want to isolate the plant and treat it as soon as possible, or even sometimes you have to get rid of it. Yeah, because it might not be worth it to infect your whole collection. Okay, and the fourth reason is you want to choose a suitable pot or planter that's the right size for the plant. This one I think can be maybe a little too small for this Echeveria. So I found this cute planter that might be just the right size for it. See, it's real cute. I got it on sale, it was 50% off, and also you want to find something with a hole. It's better so that, there's the water. When you water the plant, you don't run into a risk of overwatering the plant. If there's no hole, there's no drainage hole, there's no way for the water to escape, right? So it's good to have a nice drainage hole in the bottom. Okay. All right, so what I'm gonna do now is just take the plant out. I've already inspected it and there's no bugs, thankfully, but you just wanna get it out. And this is stubborn. It's very, I think it's just a little too crowded, but you wanna kind of gently twist and turn to get the plant out. And you also, it's a good idea to get it out to inspect the roots of the plant to see if it's healthy. So, and also it's a good idea when you're doing it, it's a good time to also pull some dried up leaves and stuff. Okay, so I've gotten it out and it's not bad. It's just dry. The whole plant is dry, but it looks pretty healthy. You know, I pulled some of the leaves out. I wasn't able to get all the roots out. I wasn't able to get all the roots because it's just so dry. You see that when I took it out of its original pot, some of the roots just kind of didn't come with it. But it's okay, it'll regrow new roots once it's settled into its new home. Okay, so here's what I prepared. I just use cactus potting mix, and I added perlite with it. You can see I don't use exact measurements, but I use a good amount of perlite, maybe 2-to-1 ratio. 2-to-1 meaning 2 potting mix to 1 perlite ratio. So you can see, and I mix it. And what perlite does is it adds drainage to the soil, so it makes it more porous, and the water doesn't stay too dry for too long. All right, so you don't have to worry about overwatering the plant because then the soil doesn't stay too wet. So what you want to do is just put it in and pack the soil around it tightly. And then just add more to the sides here and pack it in. Pack it in. And then afterwards, I'm just gonna give this baby a nice drink, a very good drink of water, and then it's good to go. And it'll be happy in its new home, and hopefully the leaves will start plumping up soon, because see, it's so dehydrated and dry. And that's it. Those are the reasons why it's a good idea to repot your newly bought or new succulent plants from the store. Alright guys, thank you for watching. And please like and subscribe if you like what you saw. I'll be posting about anything related to succulents. And I also have a blog, which I will link down below. So do visit my blog, which has tons of information about succulents and cacti. Thank you, good luck, and happy gardening! I've created a playlist related to this video. The playlist link is in the description below. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button. It will really help us out with the YouTube algorithm. To see similar videos like this, please subscribe to this channel. If you'd like to be alerted as soon as I upload a new video, hit the notification bell. Thank you for watching and happy gardening!